Hi guys, this is Peter from FireFast demonstrating the Trekker fire starter and the easy method on how to light a fire. Now here are the elements. This is the striker. This is the flint, which is your source of spark. The magnesium, which is the accelerant for cold weather or bad weather fire starts. And your handle, which is a source of dry tinder. You should scrape the flint in this direction and not in this direction. Same thing when you're scraping magnesium, do it in that direction and not this way. Same thing with the handle. To get tinder, you scrape that way and not this direction. All right, here's how it goes. You take your magnesium, you scrape it down, get yourself a little pile. You take your handle, scrape off dry tinder. Now you put that in a pile together, and you take your flint, light it up, take a little bit of your tinder, get that started. You get smaller bits of tinder, which leads to larger bits until you get your fire going adequately here. Throwing on larger pieces as the fire continues to grow. That's how you use the FireFast Trekker fire starter. Thank you.